We haven't been back here in a while, haven't we? Third episode of the Let's Learn series, huh? I'm honestly really impressed by how far we've come to. This is just the third episode. Yeah, this is going to be the first video where I'm going to be adding sound effects. Sound effects. Can you believe that? I mean, I've only used the cursing bleep sound effect in the last video, but now I'm actually going to use sound effects. This is so cool. Here's the Vine Boom sound effect. I want to see if this works. Vine Boom right now. It works! Look at Fa. Okay, it works. I should even be able to put some text over here. Okay, here's some text over here. Alright, now here's the what the dog doing meme.
What the dog doing?
Finally, it works. So what's this Let's Learn video going to be about? Well, obviously, based on the title, it's going to be about sound effects. So, what are sound effects? If you've been watching any sort of media, you've probably heard sound effects. Probably all the time, though. And it's not just these meme sound effects as well. In fact, sound effects have been around ever since people have been able to put sound in cartoons. No joke, really. There are sort of voice acting, there are sort of voices, lines that could be technically used as sound effects based on how reused those sound effects are. But here's the man screaming sound effect, the one that was featured in Toy Story, Jurassic Park. It's basically the sound effect of the man getting eaten by an alligator. Here it is. Yeah. I'm sure everybody has heard that sound effect so many times before, because it was made back in the late 60s, and we're still using it today because of how efficient it is. I'm honestly kind of impressed. There's the iconic baby crying sound effect. Yeah, I don't think anybody wants to hear that ever again, but sure. I don't know if I could find this one, but if I could, here's like 5 seconds of the Bill Nye the Science Guy song. If I cannot find it, then I'm just going to be looking like a complete idiot over here. Here it is. Okay, that's enough. But there's also some certain sound effects that will leave some people scarred. Like, for instance, there are 2 sound effects from video games that's going to leave me kind of scarred here. One of them really did get me, resonated with me throughout my life. The other one, I could see how people would be upset by it because of what it correlates to. So let's go through the calmer one of the 2. 15 seconds. Here it is. I feel like I've been posing here for too long right now. Okay, and the second one, personally the one that I've grown up with, is this one. Yep. So, why do we use sound effects in the first place? Specifically these sound effects. Or even reuse sound effects at all, though. What I've gathered together is we reuse sound effects because every time a certain situation happens, one of those sound effects fits completely summarizes the entire situation. Like, somebody just roasted somebody so hard, you have to do the "oh" sound effects or something like that. Unfortunately, I cannot find it over here on my soundboard, so we'll just put it in Vine Boom. This is the next best thing. How about somebody getting kicked in the nuts? Use a Taco Bell bong sound effect. What if somebody says something so diabolical, background music starts playing? You get it. The Prowler sound effect. Okay then. What else? Did I forget anything? Hold on. Let me just go. Wait.
A few moments later.
So, what's going to be the takeaway from all this? I don't know what else to say from here, since this is the third Let's Learn episode where I'm not using a script. I'm not reading from a script over here. I'm just looking at the camera. Maybe I should look from the script over here. So, yeah. Alright, so yeah. I'll leave it to you guys. For an outro, I'll just play the rest of Megalovania. And it'll start right about now.